Have you ever thought about what would happen if you were in an accident and couldn't speak for yourself? Or what would happen to your finances, your assets, or even your social media accounts if something unexpected happened? Most people under 30 assume legal documents are only for older folks, but here's the truth. Your 20s are the perfect time to protect yourself, your future, and your loved ones. In this video, we're diving into the top legal documents every American, and frankly, anyone in the US, Canada, or the UK, should have before they turn 30. Whether you're just starting your career, buying your first home, or simply trying to get your life organized, these documents can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress down the road. Let's start with the most overlooked one. Number 1, a will. Yes, you heard that right. Even if you don't have a ton of assets, a will is essential. Think of it as a way to control what happens to your belongings and your responsibilities. Without a will, state laws decide who gets what, and trust me, that doesn't always work out how you'd want. Let's say you've got a savings account, maybe some stocks or cryptocurrency, or even a pet. Without a will, there's no guarantee those things go to the people you care about. And if you're married or have kids, a will becomes even more important. It allows you to name guardians and set up plans for their care. You can write a basic will online or with a lawyer. The point is, get it done. Don't wait. Number 2, power of attorney, POA. Imagine being in a serious accident and unable to make financial decisions. Who would handle your rent, pay your bills, or manage your student loans? That's where a power of attorney comes in. A POA is a legal document that lets someone you trust manage your financial affairs if you're unable to. And this isn't just for when you're unconscious in a hospital bed. It can also be used temporarily, say, if you're traveling abroad or deployed with the military. There are different types of POAs: general, limited, and durable. For most young adults, a durable power of attorney makes sense. It stays in effect even if you become incapacitated. Number 3, healthcare proxy or medical power of attorney. This one's a biggie. If you can't make medical decisions for yourself, who do you trust to make them on your behalf? A healthcare proxy lets you appoint someone to speak for you in medical situations. It ensures your values and wishes are respected, especially during emergencies or life-threatening conditions. This document often goes hand in hand with a living will, which brings us to our next one. Number 4, living will. A living will outlines your preferences for medical treatment if you're unable to communicate. For example, do you want to be on life support? Would you want resuscitation in certain situations? It's not the most pleasant thing to think about, but imagine how much easier it is for your family if they don't have to guess what you would have wanted. In moments of crisis, clarity is a gift. Number 5, HIPAA authorization. In the US, HIPAA laws are strict, and that's good. But they also mean that even your parents or spouse might not get access to your medical records unless you give written permission. A HIPAA authorization form lets specific people view your health records and talk to your doctors. It's especially useful if you're in college or living far from your family and something happens. Number 6, beneficiary designations. This one's often forgotten, but it's crucial. Your bank accounts, retirement plans, life insurance, and even apps like PayPal or Venmo may allow you to designate a beneficiary. Here's the thing: beneficiary designations override your will. So even if your will says one thing, if your account lists someone else, that's who gets the money. Set it up and keep it updated, especially after big life events like marriage, divorce, or having kids. Number 7, a digital estate plan. We live our lives online: banking, investing, social media, cloud storage, everything. A digital estate plan helps manage your online accounts after you're gone or incapacitated. This could include usernames, passwords, and instructions for social media accounts, online subscriptions, and even digital currencies. Some platforms like Google and Facebook now allow you to name a legacy contact or assign someone to manage your account in case of death. Without a digital plan, your loved ones may struggle to access or even locate your digital life. Number 8. Lease or rental agreement. If you're renting a home or apartment, a signed lease protects both you and your landlord. It should include the terms of rent, what's included in utilities, maintenance responsibilities, and how disputes are handled. Too many young people rely on handshake deals or text messages, which can go very wrong. Always get it in writing. Always read the fine print. And don't be afraid to ask questions or negotiate. Number 9. Employment contract or offer letter. If you're working, whether full-time, part-time, or freelance, you should have a written agreement outlining your pay, benefits, responsibilities, and termination terms. A good employment contract helps protect you from wage disputes, wrongful termination, and unpaid overtime. And if you're freelancing, you should absolutely use contracts to set expectations with clients. Never assume things will just work out. Get it in writing. Number 10. Insurance policies and declarations. This includes health, auto, renters, or life insurance policies. Know what's covered, what isn't, and how to access or update them. Keep copies of your declarations page, and make sure someone else knows where they are too. Even if you feel healthy and invincible now, a small accident or unexpected illness can lead to huge costs. Insurance is your financial safety net, and understanding your policies is part of being a responsible adult. So, let's recap the top legal documents you should have before turning 30. A will, power of attorney, healthcare proxy or medical POA, living will, HIPAA authorization, beneficiary designations, digital estate plan, lease or rental agreement, employment contract or offer letter, insurance declarations. You don't need to have millions in assets or a family to need these. These documents are about control, security, and protecting your future self. And here's the good news. You don't need a fancy lawyer for most of these. Many can be completed online for low or no cost. What matters is that you take action, get them in place, and review them regularly as your life changes. So now, here's the challenge. Start with just one document this week. Maybe it's your will. Maybe it's setting up a healthcare proxy. The point is to start. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real-world financial and legal tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Got questions or want us to cover something specific next? Drop it in the comments. We're here to help you take control of your life like a pro. Thanks for watching, and take care of your future today.